Hey Tigers, welcome to this spooky episode of KTIG9 News. I'm Jeremiah.
And I'm Jarrell. Let's begin our show with some school announcements.
Today marks the end of the first 3 weeks of the grading period, which means progress reports are coming up. Make sure you are checking your grades and getting your work done so you can focus on getting all that candy.
There will be a little time to relax and come down for the sugar rush soon, since there will be no school on Monday, November the 3rd, or Tuesday, November the 4th. Enjoy your 4-day weekend.
Moving on to sports. The next varsity game is tonight against the Woodlands at Wood Forest Stadium. Make sure you wear your overalls, as we are going to be overall better than the Woodlands.
The next junior varsity game is on Thursday, November the 6th, against Cleveland High School at Cleveland High School, and the next freshman game will be on Thursday, November the 6th, against Cleveland High School at the Conroe Ox Field. Don't forget about the pep rally at 1:45 p.m. today. Click the KTIG live stream link to watch the show.
Up next, we check out what Intro to Culinary class is up to in a new freshman flavors.
And we will celebrate the day, so stay tuned.
Welcome to Freshman Flavors. Today we'll be making Halloween-themed cookies.
Whether you're trick-or-treating or staying in and watching scary movies, these cookies are a great way to celebrate the spooky season.
To start, gather your ingredients and equipment. You will need 1/2 cup unsalted butter softened, 3/4 cup brown sugar packed, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 large egg, 1 3/4 ounce box instant vanilla pudding mix, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup Halloween sprinkles, 3/4 cup Halloween M&Ms. Candy eyes are optional.
You will also need measuring cups and spoons, a stand mixer or hand mixer, a large spoon, 2 baking sheets, parchment paper, and a cooling rack.
Once you have all your materials together, you are ready to start. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, stir your softened butter and brown sugar together in a bowl.
Once the butter and brown sugar are fully mixed, mix in the eggs and vanilla extract until smooth. Add pudding mix, baking soda, and salt. Mix until combined. Then mix in flour and stir in the sprinkles and M&Ms.
Now we are ready to scoop our balls of cookie dough. Place parchment paper over the cookie sheet. Scoop 2 tablespoon-sized balls of cookie dough onto the cooking sheet. Place the cookies in the refrigerator and then chill them for at least 30 minutes. You can also chill them in the freezer for 15 minutes.
After the cookies have chilled, line a new piece of parchment paper on a second cookie sheet. Place chilled cookie dough balls 2 inches apart on the cooking sheet. Bake them for 9-11 minutes or until the edges just started to turn brown.
Once they were removed from the oven, place 1 or 2 candy eyes and 3 or 4 more M&Ms into the freshly baked cookies. Cool them for 5 minutes on the cookie sheet before removing them onto a cooling rack. Store them in an airtight container for up to 4 days or freeze them up to a month.
Happy Halloween!
It's time to celebrate the day. Today is Halloween. Halloween is celebrated every October 31st.
What room does a ghost not need?
A living room. Now it's time to honor our faculty feature, where we celebrate amazing staff members here at Conner High School 9th grade campus. This week's faculty feature is Miss A. Johnson. She was nominated because, quote, she is awesome, who goes above and beyond helping all the students in the class, has great teaching skills, makes sure the students can record and remember what she taught in that class, and has a great personality. Thanks for being awesome, Miss Johnson.
Here's our current weather forecast for the next 7 days. Today, expect sunny skies with a high of 75 and a low of 43. This weekend, expect rain and sun with highs in the 70s and lows in the 40s. Next week should be sunny and chilly as we start November.
That's it for this spooky episode of KTIG9. Thanks for watching. I'm Jeremiah.
And I'm Jarrell.
Happy Halloween and sick 'em Tigers.